So everybody's talking about AI, but nobody is telling you which one to actually use for what. Which one is best? You're seeing ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot. There's a lot of AI tools out there, but no one is teaching you which one to use for that. And that's what I'm doing today. And I know it can be overwhelming. You're spending money on subscriptions, you're overwhelmed with all of these tools. But today I'm going to break it all the way down. I'm going to tell you this tool is best for this and that tool is best for that. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI tool are worth your time, your money in 2026. If this is something you would like to learn, let us go. When I first got into AI, I was also as confused as you, looking for jumping from one tool to the other, and all of them were basically doing the same thing for me. And I wasted money. I wasted a lot of money because I bought subscriptions to all of these tools, right? Now, the thing with AI is this: AI tools are like the apps on your phone, and you don't need all of them, but you just need the right ones for your life, for exactly what you need it for. And that's exactly why today I want to show you what I know about matching the tool, the AI tool, to the task you need completed. Number one, the best AI for writing. Now let's start with writing, because whether you're writing captions, emails, or blog posts, or business copies, or website copies, this is the number one thing the women in my community need help for. Most people are writing something, and this is the real talk. For writing, there's one tool, one single tool, in my opinion, that consistently comes out at the top, and that tool, can you guess? Everybody knows I love that tool. That tool is Claude. And here's what makes Claude different. It does not sound like a robot. It sounds like a person, especially when you consistently train it. Now, most AI tools are stiff, right? When you hear how they sound, you know that it's AI. They're corporate, they're generic, they sound far from being human. But Claude writes in a more natural tone. That's what I love about Claude. And it's also incredible for long form content. I use Claude to script all of my content, my videos, my newsletters, my long emails. I use Claude to script all of this because it can hold a lot of information, background information. And with co-work now, you can create skills that can just continue to do what you want it to do. Okay, so Claude is amazing. Now, if you're running a whole team or you're running a brand with multiple people and you're creating content, then you want to look into Jasper. All right, Jasper lets your whole team sound like the same person. So this person is not sounding like the person. You're creating a brand voice, and Jasper helps the entire brand sound like one person. So there's no different tone or different approach, right? But it's $59 a month. So start with Claude first. Number two, best AI tool for creating videos. Okay, now this is where things get a little bit wild. AI video creation has absolutely exploded in 2026. And I'm not talking about little cartoon clips anymore. I'm talking about full-blown movies. I'm talking about production quality, like cinematic videos created from just text. And this is amazing. So here's how I break it down. If you want to create videos with a real AI avatar of yourself, you want to use HeyGen. HeyGen is the one. And in my previous video, I talked about HeyGen and how to use it to create videos. It is what a lot of coaches, course creators, and entrepreneurs are using to make professional talking head videos without being on camera. That's what most people use. So you type your script, HeyGen turns it into a video with a realistic AI presenter, which is super amazing. And this is a game changer if you're camera shy. Oh, Toby, I want to create a faceless channel or whatnot. This is it. Or if you want to create content in multiple languages, HeyGen is your thing. Now, if you want to turn text prompts into actual cinematic video clips, you want to use Google Veo 3 or Kling 3.0. And right now, especially Google Veo 3, is leading in quality. I cannot even lie to you. It creates real videos with real synchronized audios. It does not create just weird videos. Do you understand? The sound effects, the dialogue, everything, it matches the visuals without you doing any extra work. And that is why Google Veo 3 is king. Now, Kling 3.0 is the one for smooth, realistic motion videos with up to 60 frames per second. So if you want to create real movies, right, you want to go for Kling. Now, if you're thinking of short films, you're thinking of visual storytelling, go to Kling 3.0. Super amazing. Now, you also want to try tools like Runway, like Pika. Those are, especially Pika. Pika has a visual effect called Pika effect, and it's just amazing. So go ahead and try it. All right. Now, best AI tool for learning new things. I'm definitely, first of all, going to go with BeFreed. BeFreed is an amazing tool. It takes books and turns them into podcasts. It takes your ideas and turn it into podcasts. Anything you want to learn, put it in BeFreed, and it totally turns it into something you can listen to on your drive, and you see that you're learning on the go. Another one is Khanmigo. Khanmigo is from Khan Academy, and it can be your tutor. I use it for my child. Super amazing. Khanmigo is amazing. The NotebookLM will take your PDF and turns it into a podcast. Now, NotebookLM can also turn it into videos. It can give you flashcards. Super amazing. NotebookLM is something you can also use for learning. Now, number 4, best AI for research and getting answers, and the top on my list is no other but Perplexity. Perplexity is the best. Perplexity is totally the best. I would not even lie to you. Perplexity searches the internet in real time and gives you sourced and cited answers. So if you're doing research, you're in school, you're writing projects and all of that, Perplexity is your friend. If you're an entrepreneur, you're doing your market research, you're checking trends, you're fact checking before you post anything, Perplexity is the one. Finally, the best AI tool for overall business operation, best for running your business for you and all of that, I'm going to say ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is an all-rounder. It's not focused on one thing. ChatGPT is like the jack of all trades, right? It's good for everything. So I'm not going to rule out ChatGPT, and especially good for beginners. So definitely, if you want to overall do everything, if you want to learn just one tool, you want to learn ChatGPT, because ChatGPT can basically do everything for you now. But if you now want to focus on things, you want to focus on writing, you're going Claude. You want to focus on videos, you're going to Kling, you're going to Veo 3, you're going to all of these things. See, listen, I need you to know that you do not need to use all of these tools, all right? Because you're not trying to become a tech person. You're not trying to become jack of all trades. You're a person with goals, with a vision, and with something to build. So pick the tool that best suits what you want to build, right? So whether it's Claude, whether it's NotebookLM for learning, whether it's BeFreed, whatever it is, pick one tool and learn it. You have to learn AI, all right? I'm not going to be part of the people who's going to tell you not to learn AI. AI is a trending now, so you have to learn AI, all right? Now, if you're ready to actually learn, go deeper, learn how to use these tools for your daily life, to make money and all of that, go into the link in the description box. You can join our academy, or you can book a one-on-one session with me. The link is going to be there. Now, if you found this video helpful, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and until I see you in the next video, my name is Rich. Have an amazing day. Ciao, ciao.